If you find ads annoying and you no longer want to see them from your Yahoo Mail interface or dashboard, then here's what you're going to do in order for you to remove them. So first step, you're just going to head over to your Yahoo Mail and then you're going to sign in or you're going to create an account. Now, once you're on your dashboard, you will usually see an ad placed right here. So we're just going to wait for an ad to appear so that I can show you how you can stop seeing them. So now that we can see ads available right here, the next thing that you're going to do is you're just going to head over and click on the three dots icon at the top right of each box. So you can see it right here. So you're just going to click on it. Now, once you click on it, Ads by Google or Google Ads will start asking you whether you want to stop it. So you can see this why this ad, or you can also click on send feedback. So we're just going to click on send feedback right there. And then we're just going to click on not interested in this ad. Now, if this doesn't stop all of the ads that are coming, so as you can see here, the ad has been closed by Google, but all of the other ads will still start coming into your account. So what this actually does is that it lessens the frequency of ads appearing into your Yahoo account, but it doesn't completely remove them for you, but it still eventually removes them or lessens the ad activity into your Yahoo Mail. Now, another thing is to really just switch to the new Yahoo Mail right here. So this one actually added or lessens the ads that are coming into your Yahoo account. And that's it. That is how you're going to remove ads in your Yahoo email. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.